Hello everybody. In this tutorial I will show you the way to solve a program. Hope it will help you. Let's take an example of Pig Latin. Let's see a question. In Pig Latin, a word is such as king is replaced by this one, while trouble becomes this one, and so on. The first vowel of the original word becomes the start of the translation, any preceding letters being shifted towards the end and followed by an AY. Okay, words that begin with a vowel or which does not contain a vowel, such as sky, they will stay unchanged. Okay, so our program starts from here. Design a class Pig Latin using the following description of data members and member functions. Okay, suppose we take a string hello, it will become like this. India will become like this, and speakers will become like this. Okay, so what is this data member and data function? Sorry, member function. Data members refers to the variables. These two these two are global variables because this is defined under the class. Okay, and member functions are the functions or methods which are defined in the program. See, this is the constructor because it has the same name of the class. It has no return type, and it just the function of constructor is just to initialize values to the variables. Next, this is a void type rich string which will accept a word input in uppercase. Okay, then void convert, it will convert the whole word into Pig Latin form. And then void consonant, which will count and display the number of consonant present in the word. Okay, so our program will start from here. So let us strike off this part and let's begin the program. So our class name was Pig Latin, and the data members and or instant variable was text and length. Okay, txt and len. Okay, class Pig Latin, as it is given in program, you have to write it in the same way, exact way. Then text txt, it will store a word. So to store a word we need a string data type, so it is string txt. Then it is len to store the length of the word, so it will be a integer because it will store the length. Okay, so this part is done. Next portion comes to the member functions. So at first I have to take a constructor that initialize the data members. So here I have taken the constructor. See, Pig Latin, it will give the default value to the data members txt and len, right the same way as it is mentioned in the program. It is very easy, you can see that. So this part is done. Now next, read string to accept a word in uppercase. Okay, so I have taken import java.io.astic. This is a library function or library package for input output operations on screen. For that I have taken this throws IO exception, and I have created this buffer object. The name of the object is AB. Class name, the process of making an object is class name, then object name equals to new class name. Okay, now user will get a string that enter a string, and now user will enter the string txt equals to ab.readline. The whole string will get inside this txt. The length of the txt will be stored in len, so txt dot length. Now next part, void converts the word into pig Latin form. So this is the program to convert a word in pig Latin. I have used txt because it is a global variable I can use throughout the class. This word and word2, I, these are ch, these are all local variables. This can be only used inside this void convert method. Next comes void consonant. It counts and displays the number of consonant present in the word. So it will count. So how to count from the beginning position till length? It will run a for loop, and each time it is a vowel, sorry, it is a consonant, it will count and it will print each and every consonant present. Also we have to print the value of C. We will print it over here because it will be outside the loop, and in this way the whole member functions are written. So pig Latin is done, restring is done, convert is done, and consonant is also done. Now it is mentioned that you have to also define the main function to create an object and call methods accordingly. Okay, to create an object, I previously said that class name then object name equals to new is the keyword which converts, means which creates the object, and then class name. So again I use this object obj to call the read string method which we have written previously, then obj.convert and obj.consonant. So the whole program is this one. Hope this tutorial will help you in writing programs. Thanks.